materials for meters of string, a dynamic cart, a 200-gram hook masses, rubber band, a small doll, a pulley, a wood block. Procedure: a dynamic cart is tied to a string with a mass attached to the other end, hanging over, pulleys fixed at the table's edge with wooden block placed in front for safety. A doll is placed in the cart secured by a rubber band, and both carts are pulled back, allowing them to accelerate toward the edge of the table.
A reflection of it is from this experiment. I really learned on how Newton's first law of motion really applies into real life situation like a car crash. Like in the experiment, it shows that when there is no seatbelt, it keeps moving even after the car stops. Or on the other hand, it shows that objects in motion tend to stay in motion unless something stops them. So it really helped me to understand the importance of seatbelt because it provided the force needed to stop a person safely. And this activity is really fun because you will have your doll on the top of the cart, and it really shows how things move when there's a seatbelt and there's no seatbelt. So this activity made me realize that simple safety devices like seatbelt are really based on a scientific principles that can save life.